I don't got any music playing. This is me riding. Like, I really just wanted to come out and ride today, and I feel like if I had music on, I wouldn't just be able to enjoy the ride like in a raw way. And I wouldn't enjoy the ride in a raw way. This entire time that I've been riding, I've never once, I think, acknowledged this camera. Like, I'm so used to, before I was so used to, whenever I used to talk and do anything, I used to always look at this camera and like always be tilted, like the cheeks would be tilted and the body torso would be tilted slightly to the degree of like 2 to the left as I looked into this camera and talked to it, because I know this is me like being as close as possible to you guys. But it's been like, you know, it just hasn't been like that, man. I gotta get back to looking down and talking to you guys, talking to the camera. Don't matter if I got a visor on, my eyes pierce through these and look right into the lens. R6? No. Whatever it is you guys are looking at. I want a new bike. Yeah. That's what I want. I want a new bike. I don't know what, but I saw those 3 and I'm just like, you know what? I want a new bike. I haven't decided what, don't know, not even a single clue. Well, I can narrow it down like a mug right now, and I can say you no chopper, no standard bike like cruiser or some garbage like that. Hell no. Gucci gang, blood gang, you can't crip walk with it, so I don't want it. I want a bike you can do the crip walk with. Can you crip walk with a chopper? No, you can't. That thing my girl like, I'm lean back, feet up, bad girl, because, and I'm gonna let her eat like a salad bar. Slow down your mouth, homie, don't talk to me like that. I don't know, I really want a bike. A new one, a brand new, even though I got what, like, I got 2,200 miles on this, so, and I've had it for like, what, 3 years, 2 years now? Wait, I've had this bike for 3 years, and I only have 2,200 miles on this hoe. Like, goddamn, like, what the hell? Alright, scratch it, no new bike, we work on the bikes we have. I haven't even finished the look of this bike that I want. Murderers, we kill, cash money, cash something. I can't remember it. On me, I was looking at the chick, and on me, definitely on me. I was looking at that girl right there on the left, completely on me. If I saw her earlier, before I even saw the red light, I guarantee you I would have just cruised right through that hoe. Well, probably not. As soon as I would look over, my senses would tingle and God would tell me, and I would pop a endo, a stoppie at the very last second, because you know I stunt. I would pop a wheelie into an endo, and then I would just stop right perfectly. I would do that perfectly. I knew that I didn't do it right then and there because I just didn't want to. I don't want to brag in front of you guys, but I could have totally done that. I don't know though. Maybe we can get like a Grom. That'd be kind of cool. What do you guys think? A Grom? Or what is it? A Honda Monkey? I don't know. Something. Maybe it's the idea I just want of something new. I don't really want something. I just want something new, like that feeling. A feeling the top away. CBR? I don't know, we'll think about it. But at the moment, well, the main thing is to work on the bikes. I've taken a big break from that. Call it a depression, I don't know. Mental fatigue, that's the thing, right? Cheeks too big, call it that. Oh my God, that is scary. Murderers, I kill, cash money, cash house, never cry over spilled milk. I think that's the right lanes. I wanted to say lanes because I'm driving in a lane, riding in a lane. Watch, he and she are like into it, like crazy times, bugging it up. Cash money, cash house, never cried over spilled milk. You. The big ass silencer on the top of the gun, there was the scope. I closed one eye, I look like a pirate. Look, drunk very my rig, look. Big dick, I'm paid up. I'm getting my thing sucked. I blow in like it's dust. Spacehead, love something. Hey head, buy my girl a Ferrari Spot. I said, girl, drive that thing like I got 8 legs. I'm a maid, homie. Machiavelli, Mac 11, necessary. I'm a hard head, pop the cherry. No pussy, no weed, no Tom and Jerry. I say my friends are my enemies, but my friends are imaginary. I'm like the 1st of January. I'm like a resolution. I made a resolution like the 1st of January. My I blow weed. I don't know. All the parts that I mumbled and you guys literally could not understand what I was saying is because I don't remember what he says. That's the reason I mumbled it. By the way, something I should have said earlier, but I got distracted like way ago. Like I was like an 80. Oh my god, it's cold. Sun! 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 There you go. Hot, cold, hot. That Porsche, Audi and all that stuff is behind me right now. I was gonna say that back a while ago on this road, I said that I want to be behind this guy and just ride and cruise. And well, that's my dream came true. But now there's a Porsche, an Audi, and all that stuff behind me. So I'm like, do we just pass everybody up and clown? We could. But this is the first time I'm riding on this road. I like to make a lap before I clown so I know I can scope out the joint and know way in. And cold, hot, hot, cold, cold, hot, hot, cold, cold, ice cold, ice in my veins, ice in my veins. Oh my god, it is cold. It's not cold, it's chilly. I'm a man. We don't get cold. Son, son, give me back my son. I could be in movies, man. Don't lie, when I said that, you guys immediately thought of Liam Neeson. Immediately thought of an action movie starring either Liam Neeson or Nicolas Cage. Nicolas Cage is goated. Like, his movies, I love the dude just keeps pumping out movies, legs up, popping out movies like he's better than it. And he's just, it's just, they're all action movies, and they're just, I love it. I love it. No, but I love it. And Liam Neeson is basically, he's not Liam Neeson, he is the Canadian version of Nicolas Cage. My favorite actor is Patrick Wilson, and Johnny Depp, but Patrick Wilson, day in, day out, he's just Patrick Wilson, and then Johnny Depp. But like honestly, like besides them, like action movies and stuff like that, Nicolas Cage and Liam Neeson, the way that the movies that they make are they're some of them go straight to DVD or film or whatever, or video. But like they make a lot of movies that are just, you gotta watch it in theaters or at home, but you gotta watch it in theaters. They're golden movies because they're so filled with freaking action, man. Like it's just, I love them. The story is like, it literally makes no sense. They took away my son and now I gotta go kill them all type of thing. You know, that's where the whole "give me back my son" kind of fits in. But like, I love them. Those movies are the best. They're flooded on Netflix, Hulu, whatever you got. They're flooded on there. You can always watch it. It's like the movies Jason Statham does, but he's not on that status yet. You know, like Jason Statham makes really cool, badass movies where they're literally got nothing but just, you know, beating people up to a pulp. They took away my son! Give me back my son! Kind of thing, but like, I can pass all these guys in a blink of an eye. And I can twerk while I'm doing it. It's that easy. I can pass these people while I'm twerking. No, I was gonna do it. I was gonna do it. You saw the shift. You saw the freaking shift. But I saw the headlight too, so I don't wanna doggy style this dude from the front. Because if you do it from the front, you gotta do it from the back, and you gotta do it from the side to side. She throw it at me like one strike away. All folks get shot through their right down license plates. Oh, butt crack, but the dudes look away. God damn! Why must my eyes catch everything, man? Like, I'm fine with ass crack. It's fine. It's gotta be a juicy looking boy though, man. Not some fat dude bending over in the middle of the wilderness. Nobody behind me, man. Nobody behind me. Why am I in a rush? Ain't nobody behind me, man. Look at that, ain't nobody behind me. I even know this camera can see and it's showing. Nobody behind me, man. What the hell? Why am I not just taking this in? This scenery, this love. There's dad right in front of me. Why am I not taking it in? Dude, my nutticles went right up my body because I thought I saw La Policia, but it was a dude getting a Christmas tree. It was a truck getting a goddamn Christmas tree, and my nutticles disappeared from my body. She threw it at me like I was with Shrek. Man, I miss this. I miss motovlogging. Just riding and talking about nothing. Going home, cutting it up and uploading it. And then forcing you guys to watch it, showing it to your parents or grandparents, and making them watch it even though they don't want to. It's like torture, but I love doing it. Oh my god. Okay, so we drove by the beach today. Riding a motorcycle, there's so much I want to say about this topic, but riding on a motorcycle, one of the greatest things is you can't get this in a convertible. You ride on a motorcycle, no matter you got a helmet on or you open up the visor or whatever, the air just goes right up through your nostrils, all right? I don't know if you guys ever been out in the wilderness, not like this is somewhat of the wilderness for you guys. I'm talking about you get off your bike, you stand there, and you just run butt naked towards that way, away from civilization, all right? You do that, and then you take a big whiff, and you tape your nostrils, all right? And you breathe out your mouth. Get some, you tape up your nostrils, get some duct tape, tape up those nostrils. You're butt naked, cheeks flapping in the goddamn wind. You're running due east, never eat. Due west, considering this is north. Sun setting there, that means it's west. Never eat. South, east, this is east. All right? So you run butt naked that way. Your nostrils have duct tape on them, all right? Let's slow it down because Broly's really interested right now what we're talking about. I forgot this bike doesn't have cruise control. Nimbus has cruise control, not Miss Cruise Control. Because times like this, I want this auto to be on cruise control so I can be really one with you guys. I can talk to you guys butt to butt, nut to butt, nut to nut, butt to butt, human centipede. But I'm the mouth, you guys are everything else. Key and Peele, watch that skit, man. That shit is hilarious. But yeah, you're running this way, right? Butt naked, flapping in the wind, everything. Chick, you got more stuff flapping. Dude, you, if you're chunky, you got even more stuff flapping too. You run that way due east. Duct tape on the nostrils, you can't hear it, smell a thing. About 10 miles that way, you're running it all. You're never stopping, you're running it all. 10 miles, you stop on the dot. All right, you rip off that duct tape off your nostrils like a goddamn band-aid, and you take a big old mother effing whiff of the surroundings of nature. That smell right there, it can only be achieved in two ways. The first way is what I've told you already, all right? Butt naked, flapping in the wind that way, running away, band-aid off, duct tape's off. You're just taking it in, right? That's the first way. Second way, if you want to really experience that smell, that aroma, I can't even call it a stank. I can't call it a smell. It's a aroma of nature. You really want to take it in? Motorcycle riding. You got to be on a sports bike, a hybrid bike, a super bike, or a sports bike. You got to have a helmet on. You can either have the visor down and get some big, those riffs are continuously. You don't even have to look for them. You just got to be in the vicinity of wilderness. You're here, right? All right, staggered formation, homie. Don't make me, you're a lone wolf. I understand. Staggered formation. Sorry about that. You're in the wilderness around here like we are. You just ride through it and you get that beautiful scent of nature in your nostrils. And it's to die for. It smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. You could be smoking a fat joint. Smoking a fat joint and blowing that air into my visors, but it would still not be enough to negate the feeling of aroma that is going through my goddamn nostrils as I'm out in the wilderness. Succulence. Oh, wind. I gotta fix it. Wait! I thought I was entertaining you. Wait. Old school. So I'm riding like this. Alright. I messed up with the mirrors, so I just need to fix them. We got a rider in the back too behind this car. I think it's a cruiser or some crap. But yeah, man, I can't always entertain you. Sometimes I gotta pay attention to my surroundings. This thing says lone wolf, but dude, lone shorty up in this hole. He's got that brake thingy too. That a little mod you do. But only people see them cheeks on the back, they know it's me. So they drive with caution. I can pass all these hoes in a second, in a blink of an eye. That big heavyweight thing that's driving around in the front, you guys can't probably see it. It's like a big plywood or whatever that stuff is transporting. I can pop a wheelie, double kick flip, an ollie off of that hoe, and nobody would know. Nobody would know what hit him. I hit it from the mud, from the front, from the back. I hit it on top of the way. I hit it on top of the way. From the front, from the side, from the back. She like it all kinds of ways. She threw it at me like I was on strike away. Homie, your headlights. Oh, you're a bicycle. I was about to say your headlight on, dog. Popping my, oh dude, you know when you're in a half helmet, you're not getting the aroma. Also, I guarantee you his cheeks, his chin, all that stuff, numb to hell, frostbite up on that hoe. Frostbite up on that hoe and in that hoe. Dude, these people that are gonna be living here in Saddlecrest, they're gonna be getting it in the ears, because I'm gonna be louder than a mother effer around these streets. Louder than a mother effer up on these streets. Hey, Lone Wolf, let me pop a thumbnail off your hoe, dog. Let me cop a thumbnail, dog. Let me cop a thumbnail. Let me cop it, dog. Let me cop a thumbnail. Homie, bring it up, bring it closer, homie. He's got skulls on his license plate. What is guys' fascination with skulls? Never understood that. Even Expendables, Sylvester Stallone has a big like skull ring and he's trying to look cool and stuff. Homie, that's not cool, man. That ain't no vibe. That's not a vibe. That's not a type of way. That ain't nothing, dog. As you guys can tell, the sun is setting, but my fingers are ice cold right now. But we're out here. We're grinding. We're making YouTube videos, and I am very happy to be out here right now. Any sports bikes? Sports. No, I don't think I saw anyone. I didn't even pay attention either. I'm hungry. I want a snack. Oh, I think he has my helmet. The guy in the black rider. He gave me the foot instead of the handle. I guess he's a new rider, or he has chicks in the back holding on to him, and he's hard as a rock. So he just doesn't want to do anything. So he just stuck his foot out to give me the wave. See, now the sun is hitting me right in my left reticle or pupil of my right eye, which is good because now we're about to go that way. So we good. I'm good. I'm good. Bitch, I'm good.